This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain why attempting to remove a copper T IUD at home is extremely dangerous. It's crucial to understand the serious risks involved. Trying to remove an IUD yourself can lead to significant pain, internal injury, and potentially severe complications like infection or even a perforated uterus. Parts of the device could also be left inside, requiring further medical intervention. This procedure must always be performed by a qualified healthcare professional to ensure your safety and well-being. It's important to know when it might be time to consider having your IUD removed. You should consult a doctor if you experience persistent severe pain, unusual or heavy bleeding, or any signs of infection. Additionally, if you are planning to become pregnant or simply wish to switch to a different birth control method, removal is necessary. Remember, each IUD type has a specific lifespan, ranging from 3 to 10 years, after which it needs to be replaced or removed. When a healthcare professional removes your IUD, they follow a safe and sterile procedure. In a clinical setting, they use specialized instruments to gently grasp the strings and carefully pull the device out. The entire process is typically very quick, often completed within just a few minutes, and usually causes only mild cramping. This professional approach ensures the IUD is completely and safely removed, minimizing any risks to your health. After your IUD is professionally removed, it's common to experience some light spotting or mild cramping for a day or two. These symptoms are usually temporary and resolve quickly. It's also important to know that your fertility can return almost immediately after removal, so discuss contraception options with your doctor if you're not planning a pregnancy. For other great deals, and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.